Hi everyone! It's been a while, but welcome to our vlog today. It's nice and sunny, and I am going to be starting a 3-day juice fast or cleanse. So, I am going to head to the supermarket, get some stuff, and I'll show you what I'm getting. And I also ordered a box of coconuts, which I can't wait to have. But coconut is gonna help me to get hydrated. So let's get in the car and head to the supermarket. It is such a lovely day. Flowers are in bloom. It's green. We are gonna get to the supermarket safely, and then I will show you my fruits that I'm gonna get. But on the list, you have to get a melon, pineapple, lime, that kind of stuff. So let's go. We're gonna make a quick little stop in Scotiabank. So I'm downtown Brampton. Currently, it's just a nice day overall. Some construction happening. Okie dokie, I'm in the supermarket and I am heading straight to the fruit section. See, one of the things I'm gonna get melons, strawberries, and then we have all the apples and so on over here. So when I say my refrigerator is empty, it's empty, and I waited until it was to be able to do this. So I'm pretty much in these two aisles. I need lemons, all that kind of stuff. So let's get to it. I want to get one of these watermelons because it's the seeded one and not seedless, but it's from the US and it's $12.99. I don't know if it's per, yeah, $12.99 each. So I'm gonna get one of these big watermelons. I got seeded watermelon. Guys, when I tell you that this thing is heavy, it is heavy. I could actually use this exercise. Like, it is heavy. I hope it is sweet and juicy and all that's nice and nutritious. So, 3 days juice fast, if you want to call it that way, or juice cleanse. I will not be eating any red meat, any white meat, no rice, no bread, nothing like that. It will strictly be just fruits, vegetables that's going into my body in liquid form. So I got my watermelon, cucumbers, lemon, and lemons are so important because they help um, to go against your blood sugar spiking because fruits naturally have sugar, but this helps to balance the whole pH in the body, and it is good for, I think it's also anti-inflammatory, but it also has a lot of vitamin C. I have my ginger. I got 3 pieces. They weren't so great, but I picked out the 3 best pieces that I could possibly get. And this is my favorite apple. This is the only apple I really eat. American type of apple is golden delicious. So I got 3 of these. I wanted to get green apple, but I didn't like what I saw. So I got what I'm used to, and I'm gonna use this to make a juice. I got about 6 beetroots, and this is what I'm actually gonna be using today for my first juice. I had carrots already in the fridge, so I didn't buy any. So I'll be mixing beetroot, carrot, a little bit of ginger, and lime. And then as the days go on, tomorrow I'm gonna switch it and do like my pineapple with cucumber, lime, and apples. And then I also have celery, which I'm gonna put when in my juice when I do the pineapple and cucumber. And then on one day, I'm just gonna do watermelon with lime and a little bit of cucumber. And my strawberries likely will go in that day as well. So I'm gonna wash these babies off, and then I'm gonna show you my ingredients for my first juice. So stick around, stay tuned. um what do you use to wash your fruits at home? Tell me. Back home in Jamaica, I'm just used to using just water, nothing else. I didn't use baking soda, nothing like that. Here in Canada, sometimes just because I know they put preservatives, I tend to put a little bit of vinegar in the water and a little bit of salt, especially for apples, because sometimes you can see stuff and you can see the little white cast on it, that kind of stuff. So that's mainly for this. But I'm gonna wash them off. I've been on a fast before where the only thing I had was water for 3 days too. And I put lemon in my water. That was the only thing. So this should be good for me. I'm still giving my body some nutrients. But the main thing is I believe my system just needs a cleanse, a reset. So I'm gonna wash these off in the salt and vinegar water, and I'm gonna put them over on the left in a little tray. um it works as my dish drainer, and whenever I have like fruits and stuff that I come from the supermarket and wash them off, then it also goes in there. But this is, oh my god, like one hand can't really, ah one hand can't really lift this. Luckily I'm gonna juice it because me alone eating this would not be possible. The strawberries, I'm just gonna dump them in and wash them in some vinegar. And I'm gonna cut up most of everything and prep, put away. So when I'm ready to juice, then all I gotta do is just take them out, put them in the blender. So I'm gonna let that sit in the vinegar water for a little bit. So I had a lemon in the fridge previously, so I grabbed that and I grabbed my carrots, and I'm gonna juice this out and peel all of these carrots. There are about maybe 6 in the bag. All of my pineapples should be able to hold in this container. It will. So let us cut up the pineapple and put it away. Am I hungry, guys? Answer is no, but my body needs something. And that's why I'm going with the beetroot and carrot juice first. Oh, and I tasted the pineapple and it is so sweet. So I can't wait to make the juice with it. I'm not trying to spike my blood sugar, but I'm just gonna have a little piece of this and then get into the rest of everything. Mm, so good. So that's gonna go in the fridge. And I'm just gonna cut up the strawberries. I'm done. So they soak a little bit in the vinegar, water, and then wash them off. And the reason I got these ones is because they're not too big. I don't like when they're too big. They spoil too easily if they're not stored properly. And these are greenhouse grown. So I went with this option. So all I'm gonna do is just take off the top, you call it a stem? And I've gone strawberry picking, so it is so good to see how they actually grow. um awesome, awesome. And this fruit as well is another great one for you. So I have my carrots and my ginger and one lemon. This is as much lemon juice, sorry, I could squeeze out of it. And this is my beet. So I am going to stack them in. So put in some beet at the bottom. Then I'm gonna put carrots and ginger. More beet. That's it. The rest of the carrots. And I did not cut the carrots small. I left them big and chunky. Because my coconut water is not yet here, I'm gonna be using regular spring water. So I'm gonna put some spring water in. And I'm gonna put it all the way up to, what is this? It says 4 cups of water. I'm just gonna dump the whole thing in. Hopefully it mixes well, and then my lime juice on top. And then done. It's gonna be noisy because my microphone died and I'm just using regular voice audio. So I'm gonna turn it on, and then I am gonna go with medium. It's done. Juice is ready, guys. Put that on off, plug it out, and then voila! Looks so good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take this out because I don't want to be pouring and then it turns over and chops me or harm me. So it's the most important thing to get out. This is thick. This juice is so rich. Look at that. Okay, let's do this, guys. Let's see how much this will fill. And my pot has a little spout, which is pretty good. So here we have it, guys. Beetroot, carrot, ginger, and lime. We are gonna have my first glass and taste. Okay. And I think I got a pretty good amount from the amount of carrots and beetroot. So it was about 6 carrots and 6 beetroot that I got. And I had ginger and lime that was added to it. And I got this up to about half. And remember, I'm doing it day by day, so I'm not mixing a lot of juice and then putting down. So this, I'm gonna have the rest of this later. This is what I'm gonna have for right now, so let's taste it. It's good. It would be even more refreshing if it was cooler, so I can taste the ginger in it. Not much of the lime juice I can taste, but I can taste the beetroot, I can taste the carrots and the ginger. And this is it for the day. Thanks for watching. Leave in the comments any juice mix that you have when you do a cleanse that you try that you think is a good one. But this is all that I'm having today. Earlier, the only other thing that went into my stomach was pineapple. I had a piece of pineapple this morning, and a pear, Canadian pear, the fruit, because I didn't want it to go bad. So yeah. The more I drink it, the more I start tasting a little bit of the lime. But yes, I'm gonna go relax. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.